what's up YouTube? We're currently heading down to Lorahs Junk Car Race. As so many of you have previously asked if we would be attending, Brett was nice enough to let us use his power stroke today, even though Brett's not even here at the moment, he's still at work. $2,100 payout for tonight, so it's probably going to get pretty ugly towards the ends of the races, so stay tuned. Wait, dude, there's a fucking Milwaukee tool right there. What?
Put your doorways on.
Dope's behind us. What's he doing? I think it's a... What do you think about that? What was that?
A fucking Milwaukee tool in the middle of the road.
What is it though?
I think it, I don't know, I really didn't
What's a
look at
Milwaukee tool?
it. I think it was a, what do you call them things you put air in and stuff? A pump.
Oh really?
Pretty sure it was an electric pump.
It goes this way.
I think it's cracked.
I'm sure it was good, right?
I'm sure it wasn't trash. Right now, we have made it, and as you see, everyone is waiting because over there is the event. We're just waiting to get in right now. And there's jockeying for positions out here because we got 40 trucks and only one lane in. But stay tuned. What's up, everyone? So you see, we made it right now. Sorry if the wind's coming through. It's a freaking windstorm out here, 50-mile-per-hour gusts at some points. But here's the car, painted her up since last time. And we're gonna go see if she passed inspection. Good luck, Park.
I wanted to try to find a way to balance
What happened? I gotta cut that fucking bumper even with the frame. What do you mean you doing the frame rail? I gotta cut it right here.
Oh, this. Just this.
If you want, I think
So we got Mason here. He helped us build our junk car. He's got the full throttle hoodie on right now. He's gonna go with us. Good luck, buddy. So Park right now, getting ready to go out. Heat number 7.
Well, we said this car was going to have brakes and it was going to be better than the last one. Well, this one has less brakes than the last one, and the track's a lot faster than last time, so we'll see how she goes.
What's wrong, Duddy?
What's wrong?
You like came running over here.
I was gonna say
She's nervous. She said she wasn't nervous. What are you so nervous for? And then she seen the first race and thought, oh, don't get hurt.
Dope over here, Fat Boy's race car. Won his heat, he's in the final. We don't need to get that on camera. Park, good luck, buddy.
Thanks, dude.
Ain't no Nali, dude. That's good luck, bud. That's off a 1960 something, and that's a 1985 plate. He's gonna get right back there. Doing second.
Alright, bro. Is he in second?
I think so. He's doing pretty good right now.
You're in fifth! You're in fifth, dude!
We want out of here.
You're in last.
That car's pretty fast.
It is fast. You should not like fucking wreck it. This is good for just down.
It's definitely on the tire. Look at front of that white front tire. Black tire! Drove the wheels right off of it.
You put that tire on? Right.
No, that was Parker. Parker tightened it.
I stripped one of those lugs.
No, we put new lug nuts after that. Parker. Extra wheel. Yo, you drove it right off there.
Floor deck.
She's no run. Stop! She runs good. Don't destroy her.
The wheel broke, yeah.
Push it on. Give it. So as you see here, Parker lost a tire. How are we feeling after that race, buddy?
I was feeling good, honestly. I was actually having fun. I wasn't even nervous. After the first lap, you get your first hit, you're set. Yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you at the next Lorahs Junk Car race for sure, because this buddy's a runner. And we'll see you in the next upload.